this tutorial I will show you how to make this manipulation in Photoshop. First of all, create a new layer document with these details. Open your background image, download link in description. Adjustment image size and position. Right click and convert smart object. Duplicate image by pressing Ctrl J. Select rectangle tool, follow the process. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. If you see this message, click on convert to smart object. Reduce around 7 pixels. Then click OK. Create hue saturation adjustment layer. Click on clipping mask icon, follow the settings. Hide the first one for now. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Reduce around 3 pixels. Then click OK. Pick text tool, follow the process. Right click and choose blending option. Choose outer glow and follow the settings. Choose inner glow and follow the settings. Choose bevel and emboss and follow the settings. Unhide the top layer, right click and create choose clipping mask. Create a new layer. Choose polygon lasso tool, follow the process. Choose gradient tool and follow the process. Press Ctrl or Command D to deselect. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Reduce around 6 pixels. Then click OK. Open this image, go to Select, choose Subject. Press Ctrl C or Command C to copy. Press Ctrl V to paste. Drag it to on top of all layer. Right click and choose Convert Smart Object. Press Ctrl T to make image smaller. Go to blending options. Choose color overlay. Choose black color and click OK. Duplicate image by pressing Ctrl J. Press Ctrl T. Right click and choose Flip Vertical. Adjust the position, follow the process. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Reduce 1 pixels, then click OK. Add a mask. Choose Gradient tool and follow the process. And finally add your text. This is the final result and thanks for watching.